Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Fidelity's estate planning services. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Fidelity's estate planning services, this video is definitely for you. It's gonna be a really quick one. I'm just gonna give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're gonna do, of course, is to log into your Fidelity account, and you can do that online on the website, or you can do that through the mobile app on your mobile device. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on planning and then estate planning. And here you can browse the estate planning services. That's the wills, trust and whatnot, and you can use the services to create an estate plan. You could also manage your estate planning documents. Likewise, you can update your estate planning as required in the future, and you can use the estate planning services to basically stay organized. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's estate planning services. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.